Alright, here we are wrapping up the last of our video here. For those of you that want a quick know, this is text. Here's adding your text on there. Quick about it, if I add a piece in front here, that gives me my title screen. I get to pick the background that it's on. To edit what it says, I can click on the blue and I can click over here, and that allows me to edit what my text says here. I can delete it. If I delete too much and it screws it up, I just come back over here and get rid of the title here. If you don't have enough room, you can do multiple title slides here that have different text on them, and they'll transition between each other. Transitions are spots like in between where the page is, or where like my picture is going to my race. I'd have a transition at that point. Don't put transitions in the middle of your race, just in the big parts. And these are all here transitions. Voiceover is if I click here, I'll slide my volume all the way down to the left, and then I'm going to hold my mouth close to the camera up at the top of the computer screen here. Sliding that all the way to the left should get rid of most of the background noise, and then I will read my interview questions that I've completed off the website. When you want to start recording, you just click a clip, it'll do a countdown, and then it will record your voice. Whatever your voice is saying, it'll put it down, and when I'm done, just click again, and right here is your voiceover. You can click on that clip, you can turn the volume up, you can do anything you want with it, or you can delete it if you need to redo it. Alright, that gets us our finished up project. Now we're going to be going to, we won't need to export it. This exporting takes probably 10 to 12 minutes to export. So we're going to go Share, Export Movie. If you have a YouTube account, you can export it through YouTube. You can fill in your account information here. You want to go to a large, probably, to make it decent quality, and you could export it to your own YouTube account. If you don't have a YouTube account, you're just going to export using QuickTime. The name of it should be the hour, last name, first initial, CO2 vid, and then it should say where it's going to go. You want to put it onto your desktop. Use QuickTime Movie. That's fine. And then you're going to hit save. You're going to see this exporting project come up, and you're going to see time remaining. Mine's a short movie, so it's only 3 minutes. I will pause here and I'll come back when the exporting is complete. And here we're back now. The movie got finished exporting. Now I can double check to make sure it went onto my desktop. And let's see where it went. Yep, right there it is on my desktop. Now, this is where this part comes in. We're going to go to Finder. It's just like you went to go get your videos off. We're going to go back, connect to the server, Rogers Data. You do your whole sign-in, your RMS technology, go to me. But instead of going to the Files, Read Only, you're going to go to the Dropbox, Write Only. And what you're going to do is you're going to drag and drop your video into the Dropbox. So that's the whole Finder. Go, connect to server. Just a quick review, Rogers Data, connect. I can't connect because I'm not in the server. But that's where you go to drop your video back in. Again, it takes about 10 minutes to export, so you want to start doing this about 10 minutes before the hour is done.